How's it going?
Hello. On this building.
For some reason,
Yeah.
I wonder if these are the 3D sensors. Got a full car.
Doesn't look like they are. This guy signed his name on every fucking elevator in the area.
Have to watch our words on YouTube now.
Right. This indicator is screwed up.
It is. Yeah, it doesn't work at all. Neither of them. Not the exterior nor the interior. It's a nice CLB.
Sorry, we just had to be quiet to hear the motor.
Yeah.
This is where that's where the old indicator used to be.
Should we set this car down and get one with an indicator?
Sure, send this one to B. The other one looks to be right here.
Let's see. Stay right here.
It's just sitting open.
No 3D.
See the cab. This one is small. This one feels like it's smaller.
I do like the chrome gold.
Or maybe they're both the same size, but they're both not terribly big.
I wonder why it was just sitting there. I do like the panels in here. The operating panels are very nice.
Mm-hmm. No, I think this was a nice mod. It looks decent enough.
Yeah. Denver's favorite fixtures, Innovation Universe.
No, Denver's favorite is Mad BX.
Isn't that like national favorite?
Anyway, back in the lobby.
The majority of elevators are just
And oh, it's not going to close, but that's it.